After upgrading my GX470 headlights to LED bulbs, the factory halogen fog lights stand out like a sore thumb. Fortunately, the good folks at Auxito have chosen to send me these all-aluminum construction LED fog lamps as an upgrade. You can get a set for yourself by following the link in the description and using code GARAGE at checkout for 10% off your whole order. Changing the fog lights on the GX470 is so easy that the tools necessary to complete the job come with the truck. Open the plastic panel in the back door, and we're going to use the 10mm wrench and the screwdriver, and that's all the tools you need. Next, we're going to crawl under the front bumper and look at the back of the fog light. You should be able to locate the 10mm screw holding the fog light housing in place and the wire harness on the back of the fog light. If your truck is cleaner than mine, then removing the wiring harness should be a piece of cake. However, if you've taken your GX through mud the way that I have, then you'll need to employ a different method in order to get the wiring harness unstuck. Start by removing the 10mm bolt holding the fog light housing in place. Once the bolt is removed, then crawl out from under the bumper and remove the housing from the front of the bumper. It should come out relatively easily, but be careful if your wiring harness is still plugged into the back of it, as that limits movement by a lot. Once the fog light housing is hanging from the bumper like this, you should be able to see the harness plugged into the back of it. From here, I used the flat head of the screwdriver to push and pry until it was free. On the back of the housing, turn the cap about 10 degrees counterclockwise and it should come loose. Inside you will see the halogen bulb is held in by a wire clip. Undo this wire clip and the bulb should slide right out. Unplug it from the cap and you're ready to replace it with the LED. The LED has a round slot and a flat slot cut out of the base. Line them up with the corresponding spaces in the housing and it should slide right in. Move the wire clip back into place and make sure that it clips into its slot. Then insert the wiring tab into the housing cap. Rotate the cap 10 degrees clockwise until it clicks into place, and then you'll know it's secure and sealed. Slide the fog light housing back into place until it's flush with the bumper once again. Then we get to crawl back under the bumper and put our 10mm bolt back in its place. Tighten it up with the wrench and resecure the wiring harness to the back of the fog light housing. Test the lights to make sure that everything is properly connected. Here you can see the difference between the original halogen light and the new LED. The LED is far brighter and has a much wider spread than the original halogen bulb. When we back away from this wall, you can see that the original halogen bulb is much dimmer than the new LED light, and it doesn't point forward at all, where the new LED actually helps with the brightness of the low beams. You can see that demonstrated more clearly here when we switch the halogen bulb for the LED on both sides. As we turn the fog lights on and off, you can see how much brighter the overall beam cast against the wall gets. Consider this comparison footage between the fog lights being turned off and being turned on. You can see that the bottom footage with the fog lights turned on is not only brighter, but you can also see farther forward and side to side than with the fog lights turned off. In foggy or low visibility conditions, it's important that your fog lights are strong and can see the ground without reflecting anything back at you and blind you. That is exactly what these new LED fog lights do. If we boost the gamma on this footage, you can see a little more clearly what the naked eye would see while driving with these fog lights on versus having them turned off. This is a lot closer to the difference that I noticed while using these fog lights. I greatly appreciate how much brighter these are than the original halogen bulbs, which were only really good enough for putting a little bit of yellow light at the corners of my bumper. These new fog lamps make such a big difference, and I'm very happy to have them.